Today, I am taking you on an incredible journey to one of the most extraordinary places in the Dominican Republic, the 27 Waterfalls of Damajagua. This spot is a true paradise for nature and adrenaline lovers. Getting to the 27 Waterfalls of Damajagua is relatively easy, especially if you are staying near Puerto Plata, Sosua or Cabarete. The reserve is located 10 kilometers from Puerto Plata and is considered one of the top attractions of the region. If you don't have a rental car, you can take advantage of organized transportation offered by many local travel agencies. Most of them provide tours that include transport, a guide, and entrance tickets. Damajagua is a tectonic rift where water has carved out a 7-kilometer canyon of waterfalls. The 27 cascades collectively drop from a height of 11 meters into natural pools around 7 meters deep. When you arrive, you'll rent the mandatory gear, helmets and life jackets. It's included in the price. Remember to bring comfortable water shoes and clothes that can get wet. I also took a waterproof camera with a sturdy body mount that allowed me to capture these unforgettable moments. The hike to the waterfalls is pleasant, and under the shade of towering trees, you can truly feel you're in the heart of the wilderness. The trail leads uphill and takes about 40 minutes. However, the effort is worth every drop of sweat, because at the end, the waterfalls await. Get ready for a tropical and thrilling adventure. First up is a few meters jump into the water. This moment delivers an incredible dose of adrenaline and excitement. The lagoons are refreshing, and the cool water is a relief in such a tropical region. My ticket included 7 waterfalls. Each of them offers something unique. You can slide down natural rock slides, jump into turquoise pools from various heights, or both. All with admiring the breathtaking scenery. If you are not confident about jumping from higher ledges, there are always easier options or ways to skip some obstacles. The guides ensure everyone's safety and provide tips on how best to navigate each stage. The water is crystal clear, cool, and incredibly invigorating. Surrounding you are rocks and lush vegetation. The feeling of immersing yourself in nature is simply indescribable. After completing all the waterfalls, we return along a trail through the tropical forest. Take a moment to admire the surrounding nature, the local plants and wildlife. This time, the path leads downhill, making it a bit easier. It's a great opportunity to once again enjoy the views, chat with the guides and connect with other participants. The Damajagua waterfalls were officially opened to visitors in the 90s, and since then they've become one of the most popular destinations in the Dominican Republic. This area is part of a protected nature reserve managed by local authorities in cooperation with environmental organizations. Walking through the park, you'll notice how much care is taken to preserve the environment, with infrastructures thoughtfully designed to minimize human impact on nature. The 27 waterfalls of Damajagua is a place that will captivate any adventure enthusiast. It's a blend of stunning views, thrilling jumps, and relaxation in nature. If you are planning a trip to the Dominican Republic, be sure to add this to your itinerary.
How was it, the guy? How was it, the tour? Okay. You good? Good again?
Yes,
Good again?
again.
Yes.
Sure.
Today.
So hungry. How was it, the guy?
Perfect. The best.
Good?
The best.
The best. So, thank you for coming. See you next time. Okay? Be clappy, clappy.
Thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to share your experiences from this place in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next episode.